Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're going to do July favorites, get ready with me style. I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel just so you can stay updated whenever I upload my next video for you. And if you guys would come follow me on Instagram as well, that would be awesome because you'll find me on there whenever I'm not here. And let's get started. So a sunscreen that I've really been loving is from Supergoop Sunscreen SPF Glow Stick. It kind of applies like a giant lip balm, but I just apply it all over my skin. And it leaves you with a really nice dewy base that I love. I just push and blend it in with my fingertips. My favorite primer this month was the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. I use like 2 full pumps of this and push it in with my fingertips, and it leaves you with that nice sticky base that I am obsessed with. I just love that sticky feeling because that's so perfect for makeup, and then you know your makeup's actually going to last. Base wise, I've really been loving the tinted face oil from Kosas, and this is in the shade 7.5, which is a little bit too dark, especially because I haven't been spray tanning as much this month. I've just been a little bit too lazy. So it's way too dark on its own, and I mix it with a little bit of the Hourglass Vanish Foundation just so that I get a little bit more coverage and it lightens up the shade a bit as well. Just apply it with my fingers and then just massage it in with my fingertips. The tinted face oil just shears out the foundation and gives you really nice, light, wearable coverage. My favorite concealer this month was the Mercier CandleGlow Concealer. You just click it right here at the base to dispense the product. And then I just apply it right under the eyes, and it gives you a really gorgeous, youthful, dewy looking under eye with not too much coverage. It doesn't look cakey or too heavy. It's just really soft and healthy looking. And then I always like to blend out with my fingers just so I can warm up the product and get it to blend in a lot easier. It just melts into your skin and looks like your own skin. For eyebrows, I am loving this Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Brow Color. It's essentially like a little marker for your eyebrows, and it just gives you the most gorgeous light hair-like strokes. And then for setting my brows, the Maybelline Great Lash. Yeah, this is so good. It almost gives you kind of that soap brow effect. I'm really impressed with these blushes from M Cosmetics, the little liquid blushes. I like the shade Soft Amethyst and Rose Milk. Today I'm gonna mix them together to show you guys. I just mix them together on the back of my hands, and then I'm gonna apply them with a brush. They're so luminous and juicy looking. And they're sheer. They build up if you want more intensity, but they apply very sheer and skin-like. They just look so natural. I'm obsessed. Like, look at that. It looks like an actual flush from my skin. My favorite bronzer and highlight were from the Natasha Denona Tan Bronze and Glow palette. This is so good. You guys just have to see it in action. So I'm gonna start off with the bronzing powder. This bronzer is so perfect because it's almost creamy. So it just literally melts into your skin and looks so realistic and gives you that really healthy glow. It's also just so easy to blend and work into your skin. And I'm gonna blend a little bit on my nose as well. All right, and then the Glow Cream Base, which is this little creamy product right here. Just apply that right to the high points. Use your fingertips because you can really keep the product nice and warm, and it'll just melt in a little bit easier. But look at that wet shine. Ooh, it's so good. But it doesn't feel sticky. It feels dry to the touch, which is the nice thing. It doesn't stay tacky. And my favorite powder was the Mercier CandleGlow powder. I really like this because it doesn't take away from the dewy or radiant finish that I have going on, and it lets me, keep all the radiance and luminosity in my skin without, fully mattifying me, and it just makes my makeup last a lot longer. So I only powder where I need it. I try to avoid putting powder all over my face. And see how I'm putting it like on top of my highlight, and it's not making the highlight disappear or the radiance in my skin. A lot of powders take away the natural radiance, and I really like this one because it just keeps everything intact. while keeping your skin looking really radiant and fresh. My favorite mascara was Lancome's Hypnose. I love Hypnose Drama, but this one's a little bit softer and less dramatic, so you guys will actually get to see my lashes grow on camera because this makes your lashes so long. This is Marc Jacobs Nudist, and it is the perfect nude lip pencil. It's also really long lasting, which I love. My favorite lip color was Honest Beauty's Liquid Lip in BFF. These aren't matte, these are creamy. They're more like an actual liquefied lipstick than something that's super matte and drying. They're just kind of like lipsticks with a doe foot applicator. And my favorite setting spray this month was the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. It's very light and refreshing on the skin, and it just has a really nice fine mist. Takes away any powdery or cakey looking makeup finish and just brings it back to a skin-like finish. It's very refreshing. It's got like a cooling sensation. All right guys, both of my eyes are watering now since I stabbed myself in the eye with the mascara brush, so now they're both just watering like crazy. I hope you enjoyed my July favorites. I will have all the products listed and linked in the description box down below. I apologize for the lawnmower, but like I've said before, I don't film in a professional studio. I just film at my house, and when the neighbors mow their lawn in the middle of my videos, I can't really do anything about it. So I'm sorry about that, but I'll have all the information and everything in the description box for you guys. And I would love it if you guys would subscribe if you didn't earlier, and if you'd come follow me on Instagram as well, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching this one, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.